going on? So we're in Reno. We're doing a street photography, kind of. Did that yesterday, but I didn't have the GoPro. But today we're gonna check out some of the art pieces. It's Reno is Art Month, so we're gonna check that stuff out. Right now we're in the casino, so yeah. So, we're just walking down Virginia and come to the ever so popular Reno sign. As everybody, you know, everybody sees that. Alright, so we're out here, Riverwalk, Reno. We're walking up and down the river. We're taking the kids to see Idlewild Park. Stopped at a coffee place, get some coffee, some water, grab some food for everybody. So yeah, it's a pretty cool day. There'll be a lot of pictures to see from yesterday and from last week when we were here. So yeah, check those out. feel bad because I don't know if I should have given him $1 or not. I don't know if that's what he's doing.
All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed this different video from me. If you'd like to see more videos like this, let me know down in the comments. I'd love to go out and do a little bit more street photography, especially POV. I don't really get a chance to do it in the small town that I'm in, so let me know. I'd love to do this again. So that's going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and click the bell to be notified of all future videos. Enjoy the rest of the photos, and remember, get out and shoot, and I will catch you in the next video.